Hi folks, I'm Doug at Dizzy Lizzie's, and the other day I was working on this little MS151TC, and I was replacing the handle because the customer had dropped it and it's cracked across here. But one of the things I noticed was this blade brake. It was hard to operate. So if you have a problem with these, I'll show you why it may be hard when you try to pull it back to disengage the blade brake or chain brake. Now, this piece here is what goes over the side of the machine, and the bar sticks out from here, and then you've got a chain, and inside there you've got a ring which clamps onto the clutch there, stops it from turning the chain if in the event that it hits. And the idea is that it gets knocked over, and if you see when I move that band comes in, it's designed to grip hold of this and stop the chain practically instantly. But to cock it or such, you've got to pull it back, and sometimes they're hard, and this is what is the problem. I'll take this bolt and this bolt off of here. It's the same for most chainsaws. You can take this cover off, and the reason for I want to take the cover off is to clean it out, because you can blow in there and scrape all the muck out. Can you see how much is in there? That will stop all this mechanism here from moving correctly. So you can do it different ways. You've got to be careful because there's springs in here, but let's give it a quick scrape out, just like that. And all I've done is just giving it a bit of a wiggle, some of the muck, and you can see that's only just gently trying to clear some of the muck out. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my airline out, blow it out, and it'll be much better. So I'll do that. Now I've blown all the muck out of it, you can see it's nice and clear in there, and I've blown off this part here. So all I do is put it back on. Remember, it does sort of lock down in certain places, and it clips in. Then you two screws that hold it in. Let's get rid of that. And now you have a brake system that is easy to move. So there you are, folks. If you've got a chainsaw and it's a bit hard to pull back, that's what it should be like. Just gently push it, not and always check to make sure it works. So now folks, if you found that helpful, please hit the like button, and if you found it really helpful, please hit the subscribe button. It's much appreciated and totally free. So until the next video, take care when you're using these, and see you soon. Bye.